taking photos?
Do you like taking photos? Do you like taking photos? Do you like taking selfies? Do you like taking selfies?
If you are looking for more questions and strengthen yourself for the test, subscribe to our channel and like the video to be the first to see the latest videos.
What is your favorite family photo? What is your favorite family photo? Do you want to improve your photography skills? Do you want to improve your photography skills?
If you know the answers to the questions, you can write to us in the comments section.